Good morning, class. So, from today onwards, we are going to start your new chapter, that is soil. Okay. So, as you know that soil is very important component, and this is the abiotic component. Okay, the soil is the abiotic component, and it is very important for us. And as you already know, what are abiotic component? Abiotic, it means a non-living component, but still it is very important for all of us. Okay. So in the today's video we are going to start the chapter soil, and we are talking about the introductory part of the soil. Okay, so when we are talking about the soil, you all know that soil is a very important natural resource, and you know that it provides us anchorage to the plant and supplies water and nutrient, and because of that soil, the plants are actually standing on the earth, and because of that soil, the plants are taking their all nutritions from the soil. Okay, now when we are talking about the shelter, the soil is also a very good shelter for so many living organisms. Okay, for example, you have seen a lot of insects, lot of like earthworm, like ant and all. They all are living in the soil. So soil is also a good habitat. Okay, habitat, it means this is the place where the different kind of insects are living. So soil is also essential for the agriculture, because you know that because without soil plant cannot grow. Okay, and you know that this agriculture is very important for all of us, because we are getting food, we get clothes, we got shelter, everything because of that only. Okay, so soil is you can say that inseparable. It is a very important and very essential part of all of our life. Okay, and even you have noticed the smell of the soil, in the rainy season, there when there is a first rain, after a lot of dry days, then you see then you smell that light fragrance is coming, and that is the smell of the soil. Okay, so that smell is a very refreshing for all of us. So now today onwards we are going to start the chapter soil, and you all know that soil is very important for all of us. Okay, now let's see this picture which is given in your book. How beautifully that boys and the girls are playing with the mud. And when you remembering your childhood days, even you notice that you all are enjoying a lot when you are playing in the soil, when you are playing in the mud. Okay, even still when you see the small babies like 1 and 2 years old, what they are doing, they are just running towards the soily area, and they are just taking a handful of soil, and directly what they are doing, they are inserting inside their mouth, they are starting playing with that. So definitely the soil is important for each and every one, and because of that soil we are enjoying a lot at our childhood days. Okay, so this is all about the chapter in which we are going to study the different type of soil, and what are the different layers of the soil, what are the different horizons of the soil. So there is a lot to more which we have to know about the soil. Okay, the second topic which is given in your book, that is soil teeming with the life. So that is there, as I told you, that soil is also a very good habitat, because there is a lot of lot of organism which lives in the soil. Okay, like in the rainy season you have seen a lot of earthworm. What they are doing, they are coming out from the soil. Okay, so now we are doing the one activity, that is activity 9.1. now what we have to do for this activity, this is a very simple activity, and every one of you can do it easily at your home, and do it. Definitely make the video and send it to me. So this is the activity. What you have to do in this activity, you have to collect the sample of the soil from your kitchen garden or from any other place. And what you have to do, you have to take that and you have to add this soil in a half glass of water. Okay, and when you do like that, you will see that just remain that water same in this condition for the 5 to 10 minutes, and then you see a different layers. Okay, layers of the soil. Okay, so when you will do this activity, you will see the upside the small green grass or some leaves will be there. So this layer is called as the humus, and this humus is a very fertile thing. Okay, and after that you will see there is a water, and then you see small particles are there, which we called as a clay, and then you see the muddy particles are also there, which we called as a sand. And then you saw that in the downside of the glass you will see that stone pebbles and all, which is very heavy, and they collected on the downside. Okay, so this is called as the gravel. Okay, so these are the different layers of the soil. Okay, layers means the upper layer of the soil is called as the humus, which is very fertile, and this is basically the degradable, yeah, you can say the rotting dead matter in the soil, which is called as humus. Okay, and you should know also that how actually the soil is formed. The soil is formed because of the process of weathering. So weathering it means that when we are talking about the soil, it is formed by breaking down of rocks by the action of wind, or you can say water or climatic condition. So this is the slow and the long process, and because of this weathering process, the soil is actually formed. Okay, so now what you have do today, that you have to make a beautiful diagram of soil. Okay, layers of soil. What you have to do in the left side of your copy, you will make this beautiful diagram. Okay, and one activity you also do, this activity table 9.1, and this is very easy activity, you can do easily. See, like what you have to do, you have to take some soil sources, like means you have to collect some soil from your kitchen garden, some from the roadside area, some from the construction areas, yeah, some from your different gardens. Okay, and then you have to see that what kind of plants are growing on that soil, what kind of animals you are getting on that, basically that soil. Okay, yeah, any other observation if you saw. Okay, like that girl Paheli has taken the soil from the garden soil, and she saw there small grasses are there, and some ant are also there. Okay, so you have to do the same thing from the do the same thing with the others collected soil. Okay, so this is important, and what you will do, you have to draw this pictures. Okay, now in the blue zone, यहाँ पे अगर आप if you will see in this particular area, now you will see that here it was written that one question put it by the Paheli, that is, I wonder why I found some pieces of plastic articles in polythene bag in the soil sample collected from roadside in the garden. Okay, so you all know that polythene and जो भी plastic items हैं, they all are the non biodegradable items, and they cannot be destroyed easily. Okay, they cannot be degraded easily. Okay, so whenever we are burning, their ashes remain in the soil. Okay, so definitely they are not going to decompose, so they remain in the soil, and they are decreasing the fertility of the soil also. Okay, so that is, they are not good for the soil. Okay, so that's why the answer is given in the blue zone, that polythene bags and plastic pollute the soil. They also kill the organism living in the soil. That is why there is a demand of ban of polythene bags and plastic. Other substances which pollute the soil are a number of waste products, chemical and pesticide. Okay, pesticide, it means that those chemicals which we are using to control the pest. Okay, waste product and chemicals should be treated before they released into the soil. The use of pesticide should be minimized. Okay, so definitely these polythene, these plastic and these chemical fertilizers and the pesticide are not good for the soil. They are, with the time, they are reducing the fertility rate of the soil, so we need to minimize them. We need to for polythene and plastic, we need to do something that it can be good for the future. Okay, so that is your homework, that you have to draw the picture of that in the left side copy, and you have to do this activity 9.1 in your activity copy. Okay, this is your today's work, and then in the tomorrow class we are going to start the another one topic, that is a soil profile. So till then, bye.